Feature phones, or affectionately known as the dumb phones, were one of the more popular types of mobile phones in the pre-2007 era. Today, we shall open one to see what's inside. This is the Sony Ecrisson J200i. What's great about this phone is how it's easy to open. It's just a few screws, a little push through the hole, and the rest just falls apart. The printed circuit board, or PCB for short, is where all the action happens. But first, let's have a look at the back casing. We have the speaker and the vibrator. The gold plates on these two components are the touching connections to the PCB. These gold prongs is the connection between the battery and the PCB. Finally, this is the antenna. A quick look at the front. We have the earpiece, microphone, and keypad. Now the PCB. At the front we have LCD screens, which detaches quite easily, and the buttons for the keypads. These buttons are mini push button switches and are quite popular as surface mount switches. We've also got a joystick, which seems to work by having 4 switches on the sides and 1 switch in the middle. At the back, we have various connections to external components like the speaker we saw earlier. Here we have the SIM card holder and reader, and on the side we have an infrared transceiver. Back in the day, infrared connections were the Bluetooth connections of today. And at last, we have the main chips, which are shielded with this metal from electromagnetic interference. I removed the shielding and we can see that there are many different chips. From our research, this was the flash memory, the baseband processor, RF transceiver, and there are many other chips. So a great phone, a nice and modular design. I'm quite surprised to see how easy it is to put back together. It's like I never opened it. I hope you liked this video and found it useful. Be sure to check out my other Insights videos.